Dear viewers, Namaskar. Wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Escort cranes successfully reconditioned in-house by FMM Collective of SAIL RSP. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant takes measures to strengthen road safety inside steel plant. And program on maintenance of pumps organized. Coming to the news in details, the employees of the Field Machineries Maintenance, known as FMM Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, have displayed their skills and expertise once again by reconditioning the Escort crane call number 884. The reconditioned crane was inaugurated on 13th August 2021 at the pool zone of FMM by Mr. R.K. Patra, CGM SMS1, in the presence of Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, Mr. P.K. Swai, GM FMM, and other senior officers of FMM and SMS1 department. The job was carried out by the team of Pool Zone Crane Section of FMM. They include Mr. T. Guria, Senior Technician, Mr. A. Pradhan, Senior Technician, Mr. S.S. Das, Senior Technician, Mr. A.K. Das, Senior Technician, and Mr. B. Puran, Senior Technician. The complete job was carried out under the leadership of Mr. P.K. Behra, Manager FMM. It is noteworthy that the crane model C8000 with 8-ton capacity was commissioned on 15 June 1996 and was being used by SMS1 department for material lifting. The crane had outlived its life and the equipment needed to complete overhauling to enhance its life by at least another 5 years. The major jobs carried out in the process include complete dismantling and cleaning of crane, overhauling of engine, reconditioning of gearbox and differential and brake system, reconditioning of complete hydraulic system, complete replacement of electrical wiring and lighting system, reconditioning of structural system like center pin, frame assembly, repair of cabins, mud guards, cabin door, panel board, cabin roof, and complete denting and painting of crane. Purchasing a new crane would have cost the company rupees 20 lakhs. The innovative job has hence led to substantial savings for the company. In an initiative to strengthen road safety and caution the violators of the road safety rules, the Safety Engineering Department of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has commenced a massive campaign of organizing a surprise checks at different places inside the plant under the guidance of Mr. Pankaj Kumar ED Works. Separate squads comprising senior officers of different departments as well as representatives of CISF are conducting these checks. These checks are being organized to make the commuters remain alert while driving and ensuring complete road safety inside the plant. On 28th August, one such road safety campaign was conducted by the plate mill department near the design department under the leadership of Mr. D. Sarkar, GM in charge PM. The employees from plate mill, representatives from safety engineering department and personnel department took part in that surprise check. Mr. J.P. Malik, DGM PM and DSO coordinated this event. A 2-day program on maintenance of pumps was organized at CPTI recently. In all, 14 non-executives in the grade between S3 to S11 from various departments of RSP participated in the program. Different topics regarding the types of pumps being used in the plant were discussed in the program. The areas of deliberation included classification of pumps, basic pump maintenance practices, maintenance and troubleshooting of chemical handling, bearing maintenance, lubrication of pumps, coupling and alignment, and many such topics. Mr. P.K. Raut, AGM CPTI, coordinated the program with the support of Mr. B.K. Patra, Senior Instructor, CPTI. At the end, we would like to bring before viewers some important tips for preventing dengue. Avoid water accumulation and water loggings in the surrounding areas. Ensure weekly cleaning and drying of water tanks, coolers, refrigerator drip trays, or cover water containers and gully traps. And disinfect mosquito breeding areas and use mosquito net to be safe and healthy and make Rourkela a better place to live in. That's all from our news desk today. Namaskar.